Energy audits can significantly reduce your energy bill. They can also make your home more comfortable, increase air quality, and soften your impact on the environment. Here's what to look for in an energy auditing company.
In the wintertime, you will notice that your bill often reflects the heating costs. Summertime will reflect your air conditioning costs.
Saving energy is something Carol believes in. Her house has double-paned windows, an efficient furnace, and insulation. Her energy bills aren't outrageous, but the house isn't as comfortable as she'd like it to be.
It's a little hard to be in here on the cold winter nights. The worst of it is that the heater can't equally distribute the heater. It's not retained as well in this part of the house.
Carol called the certified energy auditors from Planet Orange.
This is a typical house that you would find. Most homeowners feel as though they are doing what they can and they have done everything they can in the way of energy efficiency. There's a lot more that can be done.
The auditors inspect more than a dozen areas of the home: the attic, walls, windows, and doors for leaks and insulation, the heating and cooling system for efficiency, the integrity of appliances, the lighting, and the hot water delivery system.
We work in partnership with the homeowner. We identify some areas where they can retrofit their home through energy efficiency improvements. And at the same time, we also point out some simple energy saving tips that the homeowner can pursue on their own to reduce their consumption, modify their behavior, and at the end of the day, save energy.
Carol avoids expensive swings in temperature with a programmable thermostat.
The thermostat helps homeowners modulate their temperature in their home. It cycles on and cycles off as necessary to maintain a certain set point.
Even though this home has energy-efficient double-paned windows, heat is leaking out through the frames. The smoke detectors, doors, and even the heating vents are letting energy seep out too.
Most energy is lost in the building envelope through the attic, through the ceiling, through penetrations for the lighting. And this house has as many smoke detectors as part of the code for the city. There are holes in the building envelope in the ceiling, and air is allowed to escape and infiltrate, depending on the season, through those holes. This is a common building air leakage issue that you will find in most homes. Here we have a supply air vent and a finished floor, finished wood floor, and you have cracks all surrounding the perimeter of the supply vent. This allows air to leak in from down below from the crawl space and contributes to a drafty feeling in this room.
Carol can also save energy by swapping her incandescent lights with CFLs or LEDs. When it comes to assessing the heating and cooling systems, the auditors use high-tech tools that zero in on the precise location of problems.
We use thermal imagery through thermal cameras. We use duct blaster to go in and verify the integrity of the ducting system. Pressure on the manometer. We use carbon monoxide detectors, gas leak detectors, infrared thermometers. All of those devices allow us to examine and diagnose the energy performance of a home.
The crew makes an ugly but common discovery when checking the furnace filter.
So here you have your typical overdue filter. Clearly it is completely saturated with dirt. You should be cleaning these out every 90 days depending upon your use of your furnace. If you have a floor return in pets, you may want to check it every 45 days or so. This is a rewashable filter. You can just take this outside, hose it down, set it in the sun, and let it dry for about 40 minutes and then reinstall it, and you'll be fine.
Patrick gives Carol a report on what they found. Other problems? The refrigerator needs to be sealed, the hot water pipes wrapped, and the older part of the house insulated.
I definitely feel like there are a lot of good things we can do. Big thing is just remembering the maintenance on cleaning filters, which I don't tend to do. That's helpful. So it was really good to learn all of this.
Thanks for watching. For more information on Planet Orange and the home services we offer, go to planetorange.com or call 1-800-7-ORANGE. That's 1-800-767-2643. Planet Orange, doing the right thing was never so easy.